Alright, hello guys. So I'm gonna teach you guys something. It's gonna call as functions. Oh wait, it's black font. Okay, let me change it to white. Sorry, not prepared. So it's functions. Okay, what is functions? Okay, you can this is just me, man. When I'm doing functions, I don't know what the hell is going on until I graduated from SPM. So most of you guys are like taking additional maths or something like that, and you're guys wondering what the hell is functions, man. So simple concept. What does your button do? Your X button, this X button, what does it do? You press X, you close the app. If I press this X here, I'm gonna hate my life because you know what? I spent a lot of time set this painting up, which is about like 30 seconds. And I don't want to waste another 30 seconds on this. So every button has a function, and your function that you learn in additional mathematics in, let's say, like from 17 years old, you basically learn how to draw a line using computer language indirectly. Okay, so usually the most famous example, like very famous examples, like the fx, and you have like what, 5x plus 3, that kind of thing, or I should say gx okay, equals to 7x minus 8, that kind of thing. So minus 8, sorry, I typed wrong. So these are functions. So you know that if I put a value x, let's say for example, the x value become 2. The x value become 2. Then basically, what happens just that, if it's for fx, then this answer is just going to be 5 multiplied by 2 plus 3. It should give you 10 plus 3 is 13. And for g, it's basically also 2. 7 times 2 is 14. And you minus 8. Okay. 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. Okay. I have to tell it myself because I've been using calculator for far too long. I can't actually perform mental maths efficiently. Okay. Now these are functions. So what does function actually really do? Like, like when you go to school, right, they will give you this example, like this ball right here, and there's another ball right here, and there's another ball right here, and then it's like you jump here, jump there, jump here, jump all the places. Then you're like, what the fuck is going on? Mommy, help me, like that kind of thing, right? So exactly. So I'm gonna explain to you the same way they're gonna explain, but hopefully you don't confuse yourself. Okay, so there's forward and back. So I trust, right? I trust you know what's forward function, right? And as well as backward function, okay? Okay, if you don't know, it's okay. You're gonna have a hard time, but it's alright. So fx is gonna be here. Okay, I'm just gonna write here fx, the forward function for here. Then there's another one's called gx. Okay, so it's from here to here. Then here's what? Your mama asks, no, sorry, it's just g negative 1x, okay? Means the backward, you want to go to the station from, let's say, for example, SS15 to SS18. SS18 to SS15, okay? Easy. fx, so same thing. F negative to the power of negative 1 x. See? Easy, right? Correct. Okay, now I'm gonna fuck your life up, man. Like, fuck you like no tomorrow or that. Okay. So now, what happens, when I say if I want to find GF5, okay, let's just say for example I want to find GF5. How do I do? What is GF5? Okay, because definitely gonna combine, because you gotta combine the function together. Because you're not gonna like sit in like SS15 train, then drop off the SS18 train. Then you go back, sit back the same train, you just drop it off, and then you're going to go to like another station. You're not going to do that stupid shit, right? So you combine the equation together to all in one. So maths is like that. They're trying to make your life suffering a bit, okay? If you don't suffer, then it won't be easier, okay? So you got to do some practice. So what the hell does GF5 mean? Okay, GF5 means that it's technically from here, go all the way here. That's what I'm trying to mean. Okay. So some of you guys will be like wondering, right, why not is if it's FG5, right? Why is it GF5, right? So I'm gonna ask you first. Okay. when you sit here, when you sit this let's say you're here, right? Okay. Okay, you do your fx value lah. Okay, let's just say you to solve the question you need to find what's f5 ma, right? You're not gonna find g5, right? Because you know why? F is nearer to find than g, right? Makes sense, right? So you find f5 first. See, easy. So you find f5. So what's f5? Okay, f5 is 5 times with 5 plus 3. Okay, what is that? Tell me the simple maths, please. I'm not Dora the Explorer. 25 plus 3 is 28. Okay, I'm wrong. It doesn't matter as long as I get the concept right. So then you have your 28. Okay, and your gx is 7x minus 8. Okay, then usually this 28 value is gonna be your new value for here. Okay, for here. Sorry, the screen just now changed a bit because I had the display thing. So your new value here. So here you have your f5. Okay, then now you have to be here first, right? You have to be this spot. Then you can use gx, right? So technically, this equation basically just means that is this g, gx, the x value right here is fx. So it makes sense because this uses this and this uses this. Get what I'm trying to say? This answer over here uses this answer, and this answer over here uses this answer. So that means it must have a connection. Okay, back then I don't even know what the hell's going on, so I just memorized everything. So I hope you also understand what is going on. Okay, so then to continue the question, okay, you now got your 28. So this 28 put where? Shove it up your ass. No, you don't put it, don't shove it up your ass. So you continue lo, g f5. So what's your f5? f5 is 28 ma. So technically your gx has now become 28. Technically lah, right? Because fx ma, it's technically fx. So technically, right, if you want to write the exam method, it's going to be like this. Okay, f x. Then you bracket this big one. Then you write here equals to, because your f5 is 28. Okay, then you put it on gx, then you get 7 times 28 minus 8. Okay, right. Then what's your answer? Okay, time to press the calculator already because this is a bit of high level maths. Okay, never mind. It's okay. This is your answer. Whoa. Okay. Now that's how you do a composite function. Okay, combined function. So what happens if it goes backwards? Like it's trying to get back your ass this time. You want to go backward. What do that mean? How do that mean? Okay, easy. I ask you. If let's just say if you are here. You wanna see the train back. Which train you take first? You take the f-1 train first or the g-1 train first? You see, most people, right, will think they'll take the f first. Because, I don't know how to do it. But if it's me, I'll take the g to the power -1 x train first. So I take it that train first. Then, what do? I take the f to the power -1 train first. So what I do is that I do a smart thing. Okay? I do a smart thing. So I do a g to the power of -1. Okay. Then I draw this thing big. Then I take the f to the power of -1. No. Sorry. I was retarded the whole time. So I'll take the g to the power of -1. X first. Okay. Now I see the train D. Good. Then now what? Then now I reach here already ma. I reach to this point already ma, right? Then now I want to sit this train ma. So this train must carry me ma, right? So I'm already there. So I have to tell the system that I'm already there. So how do I tell the system I'm already there? I must say that I already took the train g to the power -1 x here already. Okay? So what do? I must protect myself ma from homosexual people. Okay, no, joking. Okay, then I must take the train. So then that's why I put a f to the power of -1. Like that. That's how I do it. That's it. That's all. Then I go back here already. So first I take this train, because this is u. This x is u. Okay. Then you sit the train back. then you gotta tell the person that I already sit here. Then you go here, which is f negative 1. If you just only put, if you put the, it's the balik don't make sense already. Okay? Your equation don't work. Okay? I know it's confusing because I confused myself just now as well. But you gotta do it because you're the one taking exam, not me. Okay? So you gotta memorize. Then joke's on you. Okay, that's like, you know, that's the much I can give for today lah. Okay? Hopefully next video I won't confuse you guys. And I'll talk about something else. Maybe about, you know, biology. Okay? Who knows? Okay, see you guys. Bye-bye.